Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in your phone. Samsung Galaxy A6. We will need the following for this. A brush with flexible bristles, either soft or very stiff bristles, 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to help loosen any stubborn dirt, and then so it evaporates without leaving a trace or clogging any openings. You can buy this brush and diffuser as a set, Allegro, Amazon. And if you can't buy them, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or at most medium hard bristles, otherwise you might scratch your phone. The phone must be turned off before the procedure. Never clean it while it's on. Make sure to thoroughly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol until it is completely saturated and wet. Take it in your hand with a phone. Here we have the microphone opening, as you can see between the headphone jack and the charging port. And we clean it by moving the brush back and forth 5, 10, 15 times in one direction, depending on how dirty it is. But I think it's best to do it 15 times in one direction, then do the same in the other direction. 15 times. Then towards the screen 15 times. And towards the back cover, also 15 times. If the microphone is very dirty, that's good. It's worth repeating 2 to 3 times in each direction, just to make sure the microphone is cleaned perfectly and so you don't have to do it too often. If you clean the microphone thoroughly, it will simply work much longer without our help, meaning without us having to clean it. Not every moment. And if you don't clean it thoroughly, it might just get clogged again soon, and you'll have to clean it again. So it's probably better to do it properly once and have peace of mind for a longer time. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate. And only then can we turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.